अलिफ लाम बे अल ब साद लाम अल बसलू. In my favorite things, हरूफ कमरी, things and names, and taught Adam names of everything. Basalun, al basalu, al basal, प्याज ओनियन, पे ये अलिफ जे प्याज, बे सौद लाम basl. In cultivation for at least 7,000 years. Origin Asia. Energy 166 kilojoule. Carbohydrate nishasta 9.34. Water 88.60 gram per 100 gram. S2 verse 61. Basaliha, Fomiha, onions, garlic. Sweebel, pyaz. Viewing at its spherical shape and concentric rings, symbol of eternal life. Reference this book. Here are rings. You cut horizontally, then you can see rings and count these rings. There are main rings and there are separating rings. Vitamin B 1.04, vitamin B9 is 19, very small quantity. Vitamin C is 7.4 milligram. So this is most outer ring here. ये सबसे बाहर वाला रिंग है. You count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. In the ninth are these two small things here. So ये बड़े रिंगों के हर दूसरे रिंग के दरमियान में एक छोटी सी मिनिस्कस है, झिल्ली है. USDA values can be different for different products. Onion, basil. Shakespeare's quote.
And, most dear actors, eat no onions nor garlic, for we are to utter sweet breath, and I do not doubt but to hear them say, it is a sweet comedy. Shakespeare, 1554, died April 1616.
So I cut vertically, dissect it, then you can see shells. आप इसके शेल या रिंग देख सकते हो, परतें देख सकते हो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ये उसके अंदर वाली चीज़ें 9 और 10. ये बाहर वाले 2. इस तरह आप उसके गिन सकते हो कितनी परतें और शेल्स हैं. कैल्शियम 23 मिलीग्राम, आयरन 0.21, मैग्नीशियम 10 मिलीग्राम, फॉस्फोरस 30 to 35, पोटेशियम 146 milligram. How many main shells or rings? 9, 10, 12. This outer surface, the epidermis over skin, is a single layer of cells that cover the leaves, flower, roots, stems, and others. Garlic, fomiha, लहसन, थोम, असोम. कुछ इलाकों में अरबी में असोम कहते हैं. A garlic bulb, इसको आप पैमाइश करके देख सकते हैं. 5.5, 6, 5.64. तकरीबन 3700 बिफोर क्रिस्ट इजिप्ट में इसके आसार कदीमा ने निकाले हैं सबूत. समर जो है वो भी एरिया है, एक कौम थी, उनके एविडेंस भी क्ले के ऊपर प्रिजर्व्ड मिली है. फेवामीम फोम, सेवामीम सोम. गार्लिक क्लोव, एनर्जी 623 kilojoule, carbohydrate 33.06, protein 6.36. So
Numbers 11.5. We remember the fish we ate in Egypt for free, the cucumbers, the melons, the leeks, the onions, and the garlic.
pupil of Moses, they asked him that these things were free for them in Egypt and now they are suffering. They demanded these things again. Nutrition per 100 gram, vitamin B1, B6 1.24, choline, and vitamin C is 31.2 milligram. This is bulb, lam he seen lehsan, calcium 181 milligram, iron 1.7, magnesium, phosphorus 153 milligram, potassium 401, zinc, selenium, water तकरीबन 60 ग्राम पर 100 ग्राम, पोटेशियम, फास्फोरस, पोटेशियम ब्लड सर्कुलेशन के लिए गुड है, फास्फोरस बोन्स के लिए. Is the different size heads bulbs of garlic yield a different count? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you count the first outer ring and then this here second ring. I counted 15 garlic cloves from here. Te he wa mim thom एक पेस्ट है. 19 garlic cloves, 20 garlic cloves.
Miss Ifra counted 19 and 20 garlic cloves in Punjab. Why number is not unique? Does it has to do with man-made experiments
or modifications or genetical changes? It is good for blood flow and blood pressure. It is advocated in this book, Garlic and Other Alliums, The Lore and the Science. This is book. ISBN number, author is Eric Bloch, he is a chemist. It regulates blood flow in brain, reduces the fatigue and increases the concentration. ये खून का दौरान बेहतर करता है, थकावट दूर करता है और कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ाता है. ये अमेरिकन और यूरोपियन रिसर्च सबूत है. एंटीबैक्टीरियल इफेक्ट इसमें है. क्योर कफ फ्लू फीवर, ये खांसी फ्लू और बुखार में अच्छा है. स्किन केयर जर्मन एडवोकेट करते हैं इसको. फेस एक्नी पर वीक वंस उसको जिल्द पर स्प्रेड करें. शैम्पू प्रिवेंट हेयर ड्रॉप, मेक्स द रूट ऑफ हेयर स्ट्रॉन्गर, contains allicin, zinc, B6, manganese, strengthen bones, helps calcium intake in body, good for diabetic people advocate. These are international evidences about its curement. There are also in the Unani books I read at home from my grandfather who was 88 years old when he died. So I have personal experiences with onion and garlic. So onion is very good for breathing and lungs problems and other similar things.